Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. This is going to be a quick video, so I'll keep it straight to the point. Basically, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out with the scroll wheel on Photoshop. So, basically, this is with Photoshop CS6, by the way, and I'm not sure if they've updated this with the current version, but this is just the one that I had from school, and I remember when I first downloaded, I was frustrated. Like, when I first opened it up, I couldn't zoom in and out with the scroll wheel. So to do that, you'll go to Edit, Preferences, General, and then right here in the middle, you're going to click Zoom with Scroll Wheel. Make sure that it's clicked. Press OK, and then now you can zoom in and out with on the mouse. And also another way to get back to that Preferences menu without clicking through Edit is with the hotkey Control K, and that'll bring up the same menu. And again, just make sure that zoom with scroll wheel is checked. Press OK, and you are all set. Alright guys, like I said, it's a short video, so hope you liked it. Leave a comment down below if there's any other tools or tricks that you want to learn in Photoshop. I'm going to be covering a couple different tutorials, so again, thanks for checking out the video. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Thanks.